Hello everyone. Welcome to CAD Learners. On today's tutorial we will discuss about how to make text style in AutoCAD. So without wasting of time, let's get into the tutorial. When you open AutoCAD, on AutoCAD ribbon, you can find Annotate tab. Here you can see the text style option. When you click on this small arrow, you will get the default text style available in AutoCAD, which is standard and an iterative. Let's type a word with the existing text style, and after that we can make custom-made text style with the help of Text Style Manager. Now I will select multi-line text from here and type AutoCAD 2019. So this is AutoCAD standard style. Let's see which font is used for this particular text style. I will click on this arrow. From here you can see that Manage Text Style. Select that. Now we will get this window. Here you can see that the font used for this text style and all details about this particular text style. Okay. Now we will create our own text style. For that, click on the New button, and it will prompt you to enter a name for the new text style. I will give my style as the text style name. Now press OK. Now here you can see the new text style is added. OK. Let's make some changes for our text style. First of all, I will change the font. I will select Rockwell font for now. And here you can see that there are a lot of font style options available. Now I will select bold for this particular text style. Now the next part is annotative text style. If you want to set annotative text style, click on the checkbox. And once you click on this checkbox, you see that the paper text height is activated. Without that, only the height will appear in this callout. So if you want to annotative text style, click on this checkbox. For now we will do it with non-annotative. If you want to specify the particular height for the text, you can mention here. I will give 3 for now. This unit is depend upon your drawing units. If your drawing is in centimeter, this will be 3 centimeter. If your drawing is in millimeter, this will be 3 millimeter, and so on. Now we will check some effects for the text style. You can make the text upside down. And the next one is, you can make your text in backward direction. You can see that there is one more effect is available under this. That is, you can type your text in vertical direction. But now it's not active. It's because AutoCAD allows this effect for some particular fonts only, like SHX fonts and some other classical fonts. Let's check it. I will select one SHX font from here. Now you can see that vertical text effect is active. Now we are going to the next effect. You can change the width factor of your text. And you can see the preview in the side himself. You can give all effects as per your requirement. For now I will go with the default width factor. And it's time to check the last effect, which is Oblique Angle. This effect is similar to Italic, where you can make your text to tilt in certain degree. Let's close this windows for now. So now we can type some text with our new text style that we created. Click here. You can see our new text style here. Select that. Now go to multi-line text. Let's type AutoCAD 2019. You can see that our text is ready with the new text style. OK. Now let's create a vertical text style. For that, type Text Style Manager command. Type Style. And press Enter. So from here select New. Let's enter a name. I will give the name Vertical. Change the font to any SHX font. Also enable vertical text effect. Rest of the settings will remain as they are. Now let's close this window. Now select our new text style from the drop-down. Go to multi-line text again and type AutoCAD 2019. So in this way you can make different text styles as per your preference. Hope you understand my tutorial. If so, please subscribe to my channel. Until we see on next video. Bye.